Apple CEO Tim Cook, alongside other company leaders, has officially unveiled the highly anticipated iPhone 17 lineup at Apple's Awe-Dropping event, held on September 8, 2025, at the Steve Jobs Theater in Cupertino, California. This year's launch introduces not just the iPhone 17, but also the brand new iPhone Air, Apple's thinnest and most durable iPhone to date. Here's what you need to know about the new iPhone 17 line. Phone 17 features. Apple's new iPhone 17 Pro features a new iPhone unibody construction for more durability, a bigger battery and increased memory. Apple also created a thermal management system to handle the heat of a new, more powerful chip. Those features will make the iPhone 17 Pro better for things like gaming, using AI tools and editing photos and videos, Senior Vice President of Worldwide Marketing Greg Joswiak said. The iPhone 17's promotion display will see the always-on display capability added to it from previous generations Pro and Pro Max models. The display will also grow slightly to 6.3 inches. The main camera system has a 48-megapixel ultra-wide camera and a 12-megapixel macro camera. The front-facing camera will have a square sensor that the company says allows for multiple photo orientations when used for selfies. The company says the phone's ceramic shield too will provide greater durability and scratch resistance. It also said that the phone will have all-day battery, but did not provide a specific battery life. The iPhone 17 Pro will come in 3 colors: silver, dark blue and bright orange. iPhone 17 Air features. The newest addition to the iPhone lineup comes in the form of the iPhone 17 Air. The iPhone Air, which is slimmer than the most recent iPhone models, was the star of Apple's product launch event, and the company said it's the most durable iPhone yet. The ultra-slim model wasn't positioned as a replacement for the now-retired Plus line, rather as the company exploring a new design trend. The iPhone 17 Air is 5.6 mm thin, about a third thinner than the iPhone 16 Pro, and 165 grams in weight. Its 6.6-inch promotion display is encased in a lightweight titanium aluminum frame that is surrounded by the ceramic shell too. Apple revealed a new plateau for the Air that it said holds both the front camera, rear camera and Apple Silicon. The Air will be powered by AA19 Pro chip and Apple C1X modem with 12 GB of RAM. Apple said the phone will have all-day battery life. The iPhone Air includes Apple-made silicon that will bring more computing power for AI capabilities. One executive described it as MacBook Pro levels of compute in an iPhone, and improve wireless connectivity. The iPhone Air will use only eSIM cards worldwide to enable the thin design. And it will have all-day battery life, Apple said, although it's not clear how many hours that will be. iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max features. The iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max sees a redesigned camera bar that will span the width of the phone. The 48-megapixel camera houses a telephoto lens with 1x, 2x, 4x and 8x optical zoom and 8K recording capabilities. Both premium models will have an Apple-designed Wi-Fi 7 chip for faster connectivity. Apple announced that the Pro and Pro Max will have brighter displays and can support 39 hours of video playback. Phone 17 prices. A big question heading into Tuesday's event was whether Apple would raise prices for its devices because of tariffs on the company's U.S. imports this year. Apple has said it expects to take a $1.1 billion hit from tariffs this quarter alone. But the base prices for iPhones have remained mostly consistent with last year, when compared to prior year models with the same amount of storage. In the case of the iPhone 17, users will get even more storage for their buck. iPhone 16 256 GB, $899 versus iPhone 17, 256 GB, $799. iPhone 16 Plus, 256 GB, $999 versus iPhone Air, 256 GB, $999. iPhone 16 Pro, 256 GB, $1,099 versus iPhone 17 Pro, 256 GB, $1,099. The new and much improved iPhone lineup looks impressive, which puts it in a strong position to cater for different segments, tech analyst and PP Foresight founder Paolo Pescatori said in emailed commentary following the event. Significantly, there is an iPhone for everybody at a reasonable price. Phone 17 colors. The iPhone 17 will come in black, white, steel gray, light blue, green, and purple colorways. The iPhone 17 Air is set to come in black, white, light gold, and sky blue. The Pro and Pro Max models will come in blue, orange, and silver color. iPhone 17 pre-order. The iPhone 17 line is set to be available for pre-order Friday, September 12. Phone 17 launch date. The iPhone 17 line will launch Friday, September 19. With stronger performance, smarter AI integration, and sleek new designs, Apple's iPhone 17 lineup is shaping up to be one of its most versatile yet. Whether you're after durability, slim design, or professional features, there's an iPhone for everyone. Drop your comments below on which iPhone 17 you'd be going for, and please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video.